Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a truly transformative concept that can change the way you perceive and experience life, the power of now. Living in the present moment has a profound impact on our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. It allows us to fully experience life and helps us cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness. Our discussion today is inspired by the best-selling book The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This book has touched millions of lives, and we hope our exploration of its principles can inspire you as well. In this video, we'll delve into the illusion of time, the role of the ego, the concept of the pain body, the practice of presence, and how living in the now can transform your relationships and overall life experience. So, let's dive right in and discover the power of now together. Introduce the concept of time as a mental construct. Explain the difference between chronological time and psychological time. Discuss how focusing on the past and future can distract from the present moment. Share the idea that the present moment is all that truly exists. Let's begin by discussing the concept of time. While time is an essential part of our everyday lives, it is, in many ways, a mental construct. The way we perceive and experience time is shaped by our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. There are two main ways we can think about time: chronological time and psychological time. Chronological time refers to the objective, linear progression of moments, like the hours on a clock or the days on a calendar. Psychological time, on the other hand, is our subjective experience of time, which can be influenced by our emotions, thoughts, and mental states. Often, we get so caught up in thoughts about the past or worries about the future that we miss out on the richness and beauty of the present moment. This constant preoccupation with what was and what will be distracts us from experiencing the power of now. In fact, if we truly examine our lives, we can see that the present moment is all that truly exists. The past is nothing more than a collection of memories, and the future is an ever-shifting landscape of possibilities. The only thing that is real, the only time we can truly experience life, is in the here and now. By recognizing that the present moment is all that truly exists, we can begin to shift our focus away from the distractions of the past and future, and start to fully engage with the present. This is where the true power of now lies and where we can start to experience life more deeply and meaningfully. Now that we understand the illusion of time and the importance of the present moment, let's explore the role of the ego and how it impacts our ability to live in the now. The ego is a complex aspect of our minds, which plays a significant role in shaping our thoughts, behaviors, and experiences. The ego is essentially our sense of self, formed by our personal beliefs, identifications, and attachments. The ego thrives on identification with thoughts, emotions, and time. It constantly seeks a sense of self by attaching to memories, future aspirations, and external circumstances. The ego's need for validation and control often causes it to resist the present moment, as it seeks to maintain its perceived identity. Some common examples of ego-driven thoughts and behaviors include constant comparison to others, the need for approval, dwelling on past events or stressing about the future, and identifying ourselves with our roles, possessions, or achievements. Understanding the role of the ego is vital in our journey towards living in the present moment. By recognizing when our ego is at play, we can begin to separate ourselves from its influence and cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and presence. One way to break free from the ego's grip is to recognize and disengage from the pain body, which is closely connected to our ego. Let's dive deeper into the concept of the pain body and learn how to manage emotional pain more effectively. The pain body is a concept introduced by Eckhart Tolle to describe the accumulation of emotional pain and negative energy stored within our bodies and minds. This pain body feeds on negative thoughts and emotions, reinforcing the ego's hold on our consciousness. When we are unaware of our pain body, it can easily hijack our thoughts and emotions, leading to reactions and behaviors that perpetuate suffering and keep us trapped in the past or future. To recognize and disengage from the pain body, we must first become aware of its presence. This can be achieved through mindfulness and self-awareness, by noticing when negative thoughts and emotions arise and observing them without judgment or resistance. Once we become aware of our pain body, we can begin to disidentify from it by realizing that we are not our thoughts or emotions, but rather the observer of them. This process of disidentification helps us break free from the pain body's influence and experience the present moment more fully. With a better understanding of the ego and the pain body, we can now explore the practice of presence and its importance in living in the now. Presence is the state of being fully aware, attentive, and engaged in the present moment. Cultivating presence requires us to develop mindfulness and self-awareness, allowing us to observe our thoughts, emotions, and sensations without judgment or attachment. The benefits of presence are immense, including reduced stress, increased mental clarity, improved emotional well-being, and a greater sense of inner peace. By living in the present, we can connect more deeply with ourselves, others, and the world around us. There are many practical ways to incorporate presence into your daily life. Some examples include practicing mindfulness meditation, engaging in activities that require full attention, such as painting or playing music, and making a conscious effort to bring your focus back to the present moment throughout the day. Another powerful tool for cultivating presence is conscious breathing. By focusing on our breath, we can create a direct connection to the present moment and anchor ourselves in the here and now. Now that we understand the importance of presence and have some practical tips for incorporating it into our daily lives, let's explore a simple exercise to help us practice entering the present moment. To enter the present moment, start by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a few deep, slow breaths, allowing your body to relax and your mind to quiet. As you continue to breathe, allow your focus to rest solely on the sensation of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, and the air moving in and out of your nostrils. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. As you become more present, notice any thoughts or emotions that arise, and observe them without judgment or attachment. Remember, you are not your thoughts or emotions, but the observer of them. Continue this practice for a few minutes, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the present moment. As you do this, you may begin to feel a sense of inner peace, clarity, and connection to the now. With regular practice, this simple exercise can help you cultivate a deeper sense of presence and enhance your ability to live in the present moment. Now, let's examine how presence can transform our relationships and interactions with others. The power of presence can have a profound impact on our relationships. When we are fully present and attentive in our interactions, we're able to communicate more effectively, listen more deeply, and create stronger connections with those around us. By practicing presence during conversations, we can better understand the emotions and perspectives of others, leading to improved empathy and compassion. This can be especially helpful in resolving conflicts and finding common ground. Some practical ways to apply presence in your relationships include focusing on your breath during conversations, maintaining eye contact, actively listening without interrupting, and engaging in activities that require full attention, such as playing a game or cooking a meal together. As we continue to practice presence in our relationships, we can transform the way we connect with others, fostering deeper bonds and more meaningful interactions. A key aspect of embracing the present moment is the concept of surrender. Surrender is the process of accepting the present moment exactly as it is, without resistance or judgment. By surrendering to the now, we allow ourselves to fully experience life and its ever-changing nature. This acceptance can lead to personal growth, increased resilience, and even spiritual awakening. Some tips for incorporating the power of now into your everyday life include setting aside time for daily mindfulness practice, using reminders to bring your focus back to the present moment, and learning to embrace change and uncertainty. As we integrate these principles into our lives, we can begin to experience the transformative power of living in the present moment, unlocking our potential for greater happiness, inner peace, and personal fulfillment. In today's video, we've explored the illusion of time, the role of the ego, the concept of the pain body, the practice of presence, and the transformative power of living in the now. Remember, embracing the present moment is a lifelong journey, and with consistent practice and self-awareness, you can unlock the power of now in your own life. We hope this exploration of the power of now has inspired and motivated you to cultivate presence and experience life more fully in the present moment. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We wish you all the best on your journey towards living in the now and embracing the power of presence.